had these thoughts up in my head, these thoughts was when I'm low. Two pass right in my face, I don't know which way to go. Should I head out to the club or should I hit the studio? It only made sense to pick whichever one.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth, and you already know what's happening. The best shape for the banger. As you see by the title of this video, it's another lit one. In this video, we're gonna be talking about why you feel like your hair won't grow, or why you feel like it's taking you 10 years just to get your dreads from here to here, or you feel like you've been in the starter lock stage forever. This video is specifically for you. I'm gonna be giving y'all 5 tips, you know what I'm saying, 5 or 6 tips to help your dreads to go to the next level, take them to the next level. So make sure y'all stay tuned, leave a like for your boy, comment anything you want to see next, or comment any questions you have. Subscribe to the channel, man. Help me get to 11K. We almost there. Let's run it up. But enough talking, let's jump straight into the tips, man. No cap. Boom. Alright, the first tip, man, this is like one of the most important ones. So we're gonna start off at the tizzy top, you know what I'm saying? We'll start off at the top. The first thing is the diet. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know, man, if you're not drinking water every day, for one, it's gonna take your hair longer to grow. That's just facts. It's kind of like if you got a plant. Think of your hair as like a plant. Think of this as like a vegetable or flower that you're trying to grow. If you go put it in the ground, your junk will not grow without this. And it's the same with your hair, your beard, anything you want to grow. So this is what you need to add to your diet. If you're not drinking water, make sure you're drinking water. And I'm not saying you gotta only drink water, but get your water in. And you gotta think about it like this, man. The healthier your diet, the healthier your hair gonna look, the healthier your skin gonna look, the healthier you gonna look. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. I'm not telling you gotta be a freak. I'm not telling you gotta go vegan. I'm not telling you gotta cut out all sugar. I'm not telling you to go extreme, but just be aware, just be aware of the things you put in your body, because what you put in is what you get out, and it's literally that simple. Also, to go into your diet is hitting the gym, man. And I feel like gym like increase testosterone and it keep your blood flowing, and also like promote like hair growth as well. But at the same time, when you locked in the gym, you own your gym journey, so you're not really paying that much attention to your hair. You know what I'm saying? Because if you go, obviously it means natural to look in the mirror every day, but every 5 minutes you go in the mirror looking at your dreads, it's gonna feel like it's taking long. But when you focus on your gym, it's gonna take your mind off of that a little bit. So you're gonna be focused on your gym journey and your dread journey at the same time, and then it's kind of like equivalent, because by the time your dreads get long, your body gonna be in the right shape for you to be like, damn, I'm really my best self. So diet and gym and hair growth and hair journey all go neck and neck. So make sure y'all focus on them two. Very important. Tip number 2 is products / maintenance. Now, starting off with like starter dreads, depending on where you're at in your journey, depending on the products you need to use. Now, if you started lots, you just got your jaw twisted for the first time, you don't want to be too heavy on the products, because the more products you can put in at that stage, it's gonna make your dreads or your locks like unravel, and you don't want to do that. You want your locks to mature as fast as possible. So at the beginning stages, you really don't want to do too much products. Maybe you want to oil it. I say oil your hair probably like twice a week if you starter lots, but don't wash it that often. It might sound nasty, but it's really not, bro, because your hair gonna clean itself, and you'll know if your hair starts stinking. You'll know. And plus, at starter lots, if your hair's stinking, then you might not need locks if at that age. I mean, at that stage. You feel me? So don't wash it that often. I say like once every 2 weeks or something like that. Starter lots, because you keep putting water on your hair, then it's gonna just unravel, and you don't want that. So products, maintenance. But if your hair is if your hair mature, your locks don't mature, but they just not falling for real, make sure you put oil in there. I would say if your locks mature, I would say use oil at least, if not every night, every other night. You know what I'm saying? Because that's gonna also give them that shine. You feel me? They ain't gonna look so dry, they ain't gonna look matted, and they're gonna fall, and each dread is gonna be like healthy, because you literally putting hair food in your hair to grow your products. Make sure you got a good oil too, though. So do your research on the oil, man. If you watch my channel, man, make sure y'all follow my channel. I talk about all different types of oil for your beard, for your hair. So just do some research, man. You'll find out some good ones that work for you, and make sure they got like the key like hair growth oils in there, like jojoba oil, argan oil, castor oil. So if they got like something like that, them 3 in there at least, then you know that's a decent oil for real. So products, maintenance, that's tip number 2. Make sure you doing your thing, no cap. Tip number 3 is styles. Now this one is key, because this will help me out, because for the longest, man, I felt like my dress was like right here, you know what I'm saying? Like like they wouldn't fall for real. And I was wondering, I was like, damn, bro, what's taking me so long? But then I asked people that I already knew that had locks or been had them for a minute. They was like, man, do some different styles. You're gonna start seeing your hair gonna mature faster, and on top of that, it's gonna get longer, and on top of that, you're gonna like different styles. So if you ain't really put your hair in styles yet, man, do that. That's really key. And my go-to is 2 strands. It's probably my favorite. And then you can do like a barrel twist. You can do braids. You can do twist to the sides. You can do 3 strands. You can do what's it called? Not barrel rolls, but if you know what I'm talking about in the comments, it's not barrel. Is it barrels? I mean, I don't know. If you know what I'm talking about, put it in the comment section. But it's so many different lock styles. And another key tip I would tell y'all is go to Pinterest. If you don't know what Pinterest is, it's an app, and it gives you different ideas, man, from room design to house designs to hair designs. So make sure you go in there, just type in men with locks, and then you'll see different type of styles, and it'll help you out a lot. So make sure you put them in styles. It's gonna help your dreads go from here to here. Literally. And then it's different things though. Like, all right, so real quick though, like the 2 strands, like I put my junk in 2 strands, and then when I take them out, my locks will be curly. So it's just fine, man. So make sure y'all get into them styles. Y'all gonna like it a lot, for real. Tip number 4. Now this is the key one, man. If you just not starting out, this is major for you, because I didn't really know this, but it's kind of common sense type junk, but I really didn't know. I was just looking for the next retwist. But tip number 4 is make sure you stick it to 1 or 2 stylists, man. Because the thing is about that, why it's kind of key, because a lot of people retwist different. If you go into 10 different lock stylists, or you go to 10 different stylists, then your dreads probably get twisted different every time. Your parts might be getting did different, so your dreads can be all over the place. Now I don't know, obviously, bro, I'm like 2 months in from a retwist, so this really me in full effect, bro. You know what I'm saying? My junk don't look that bad, but I'm 2 months in literally without a retwist. So, and my junk's kind of all over the place, because I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. When I first started out, man, I don't went to, like, so far ever since I had my locks, I don't went to probably like 6 different stylists, and that's terrible, bro. You really want to stick to 1 or 2, but I didn't know no better. I didn't have nobody like Smooth telling me, which is probably people on YouTube, but I wasn't doing the research like I needed to be doing. But I'm telling y'all now, if you watch this video, man, stick to 1 or 2 stylists. Even if you had to wait it out, even if she booked up, just wait, bro. You gonna thank yourself later. Your dress gonna come out more neat. It will come out more long. You ain't gonna have a lot of them falling out. Just stick to 1 or 2 stylists, man, and that's gonna do majors. And another thing, I didn't put this in the tip, so I'm gonna add this right here. I say get a retwist once every month. Starting off, get them as you need it. So as your dreads unravel, start trying to get a retwist. If your dreads unravel in the first week or second week, try to go get a retwist. But if you can hold it out, then hold it out for at least a month. So I say get a retwist at least once a month. And if you hold it out every 2 months, that'll be good too. Alright, tip number 5, this is the last tip, you know what I'm saying, is don't play with your hair all day. You know what I'm saying? We human, and I know it's natural, like we naturally do things like pull our hair, which is cool sometimes, but you don't want to be all day like twisting your locks, pulling on them. Some people say it's good, but I know, because I don't been talking about beard growth. If you didn't follow my channel, you know I've been talking about beard growth for the longest. And if you constantly pulling your beard hair, you playing with it, you really harming yourself from growing a long beard. So you don't want to be messing with your junk all day, because your hands are the dirty. You might not can see it, but your hands are one of the dirtiest things on your body, because you're touching everything. You know what I'm saying? You gotta grab everything. And you can't wash your hands 24/7, so you don't want to be touching your hair all day, pulling on it. Just let it course do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Let it journey do its thing. Let it journey out. You know what I'm saying? And I know you want to pull it. I used to be the same way, pulling my junk. I used to be twisting my junk. I used to do, you know what I'm saying, just crazy shit. But I'm telling you, just from experience, man, try to keep your hands out your head. Not saying you gotta like if you touch your head, oh, my dread's gonna fall out. But just think about it. Like, if you know I'm gonna touch my hair for like an hour, then just chill out a little bit. If you know that you got a habit of doing that, then just tone it down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying you can't touch your hair, because at the end of the day it's your hair. But you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, so that was my tips, man. Hopefully, if you watch this video, hopefully it helped you out. Hopefully one of the tips you can implement into your routine or whatever, and it take your dread journey to the next level, or lock journey to the next level. But that's enough, man. Make sure y'all like the video for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Comment any questions y'all got, anything y'all want to see next, or any tips y'all need, or anything. Let me know in the comment section. Or if y'all got some tips for me, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, get me to 11K. We're going straight to the what? Top. No cap. We're going straight to the top. But enough talking, I'm out, man. Peace.